For all the organic ideas about health and beauty, please don't forget to subscribe to Mom's Quick Solutions and hit that bell icon. Hello everyone and welcome back to Mom's Quick Solutions. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do beginner yoga poses for full body stretch. Yoga is a group of physical, mental, spiritual practice or discipline. It also gives you many benefits. For example, relaxation. It helps to improve your strength and stamina. It helps in injury prevention, gives you inner strength and healthy breathing. It also helps you in your weight loss journey, and it also gives you a glowing and healthy skin. Let's start our yoga practice. This is completely for beginner. This yoga practice is best for those who are looking for to begin their yoga journey, or anyone who is looking for their quick stress relief to calm their body and mind. Alright friends, let's get started our today's yoga practice seated at the corner of our mat. On your seated position, knees bent down. Rest your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath in and out. Now raise your both hands up to the sky and fall in a namaste. Bring down to your chest while you exhale. Raise your hands up to the sky as you breathe in. Fold your hands and bring down to your chest as you breathe out. Raise your hands in the air. Just allow yourself find a grounding as you are letting yourself on child's pose. For child's pose, put your toes together, knees separate, rest your elbow and your forehead completely down to the mat. Take a deep breath, be in this pose for a while and breathe out. For cow pose, now be on your toes while you inhale. Make your belly fall down, the shoulder roll back and look up to the sky. Exhale now, reverse back, curve the belly in, puff off the rib cage up and look it on your navel. That's how you exhale. Inhale and exhale in the same ratio and make sure your shoulder and knees are in position. Now lift up your knees and extend your arms. Walk a little bit and come to your downwards facing dog. Lift your heels up and down. Each breath will make you feel more flexible. Now from this position, raise your right leg up in the sky and now bring it down to your left elbow. Touch the left elbow and bring it back up and touch the right elbow. Bring it up. Now place your right leg to the mat and raise your both hands as you inhale. Keep breathing as we are in our low lunge position. Now put your hands down, rotate it and come to your warrior first position. Now place your right hands on your right leg and bring your left hand over your head while you breathe in and breathe out. Be in a triangle position. Now roll over the back, keep your both legs straight and right hands overhead and come back to the warrior first. Now place your both hand down to the mat, put your right leg back and come to plank position. Inhale, put your chin and chest down, come to Chaturangana Dandasana. Exhale back to the downwards facing dog. Now raise your left leg up and bring it down and touch your right elbow. and again bring it up and again down, and try to touch to your left elbow. Bring it up and now place it on your mat and raise your both hands up. Come to your low lunge pose. Don't forget to inhale and exhale. Now slowly turn to a warrior first pose. Now again come to a triangle pose. Now both legs straight and opposite hand on top of your forehead. Now come to a warrior pose and now place both hands down. Come to a plank position, Chaturangana Dandasana, and sit on your cobra pose. Exhale, downwards facing dog. Make your hands straight, legs straight. You can feel your hamstring getting more tight. Now hop or walk in front of your hands. Now we're gonna do a mountain pose. For that, I'm coming in the middle of the mat and raising my both hands up while inhale, and bring that folded hand to the chest while I exhale. From mountain pose, take your right feet and place it onto your left inner thigh as high as possible. Now take a folded hands to your chest and raise up in the sky. Sit there for a while. Now take your left leg and place it on your right inner thighs, and take your folded hands from your chest and raise up. Be there for a while. And come out of the pose. Now it's time for forward fold. Raise your hands up high as you inhale and drop it down to the floor as you exhale. Come halfway up as you inhale and exhale, drop down to the floor. Inhale one more time, halfway up, and exhale all the way down to the mat. From your forward fold, walk to your plank position, Chaturangana Dandasana, and sit on your cobra pose for a while. Now come back to your downwards facing dog. Don't forget to breathe in and out. Now slowly hop or walk towards your hands, and now we are doing our chair pose. Raise your hands up and be on your chair pose for a while. It's gonna burn your leg, but it's really gonna tone your leg. Come out from the chair pose, and now we are doing our forward fold. Exhale while you go down. Inhale halfway up and exhale all the way down. Now we go to our plank position, Chaturangana Dandasana. Sit in your cobra pose for a while, and you are. Sit back in your child's pose, resting your forehead onto your mat. Just taking this opportunity to let go any tension in your upper body. Allowing your hips to release closer towards your heels. As your arms reach forward, come to your seated pose. Take a deep breath in as you reach both arms up. Palms together, exhale. Bring your hands over your heart. Thank you for your hard work, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the video, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to Mom's Quick Solutions and hit that bell icon. Keep practicing yoga, keep yourself healthy, stay safe. Until we meet next time, lots of love and thanks for watching.